iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Yeah, so you can't be Enkulu, what does not Mali is banned. So Kaizer Chiefs 2, Supersport United 1. Nilangakhala masine videos ngixakuthe win teams and ngiyabona kumnyama. So just a quick summary of the game, sir.
Mr. Ngiyo kunjani mfethu? Amakhosi for life. Ay.
Enkulu.
Yeah,
xa kuwina yona kucima umbane.
Yeah, uyabona ukuthi le team lenkulu kakhulu le. So bafuna ukubonisa ukuthi madoda asibakhulu mase kuyihit siphethe. Mr. Ngiyo, well done to Kaizer Chiefs. Ngibulise lapha ku chairman, ngibulise lapha ku Just. Ngibuzela lebakhaya lapho cela support nje iDiskiTV. Siphela nje njalo ngichiki futhi. Yema kunento enginotisile namhlanje Mr. Ngiyo.
Mr. Tso.
Umbone lukhulu engikhumbuze kudala ukukhulu engikhumbuze nyawuthi yami. Julius Agoho yamkhumbula. Wayeshaya amasamasoti lapha yana aJunior Khanye. Bekuyinto zakhe yazi ukhuni ngikhumbuze yena fanda kanti mina mangithi nango la mina no manje ngibone t-shirts la khala bekuthi uJuhuni.
Mr. Tso.
Mr. Ngiyo Gavin Hunt akazishaye yena self. Why I'm saying that because if first half it did very well for about 20 to 30 minutes. Bekufanele nje ukuthi ayiqede nje igame ayivale, but he couldn't do that and then allow Chiefs to come back. Unangilapho Caleb lapana ushayile first goal yakhe.
Bimenyimana.
Yeah, no ushayile akadive, they all counts Mr. Ngiyo. Yeah, ukuthi lingene ukuthi kanjani ibheka sesobona lingenile. Second one, the penalty. Mr. Ngiyo, I'm worried with the referee too, because we don't explain in decision making la payana to the player, and players they know. Once you make a foul in that area, in that situation where you are behind, the opponent is facing the goal post, it's automatically a red card. That one we don't have to see Kulume, but I saw the referee trying to explain. Yes, the boys got a yellow card. Doesn't matter. It's a foul, golden opportunity. You deny him that. That's a red card. Done. Finish.
Yeah.
Simple. That's why I need to Gavin Hunt. He just need to hit himself, because a minute that boy got a yellow card, he started to change. You could see he was no more comfortable in terms of playing. So you were supposed to swap him early, let Untlapola and put Weber Lapana in the midfield. And you know, my changes are Wenzile. I think I'm costly in myself, because I didn't see the reason of putting Untlovu in, because I'm a change that I think you were supposed to do was to take out Ulontuzan or Yohanesi naye ulungu lapana untlapho ele afaku Weber afaka no Ronaldo lapayana, and then that's it.
All right, so we need to wrap up because of time and electricity. This game, the 3 points, Chiefs, are they moving forward? Do they deserve the 3 points? What is your overall takeaway from this game in 2 minutes?
Yeah, no, I think Chiefs, I would say Chiefs, they deserve to win. Gavin Banigile, they deserve the 3 points, and well done to them. And I mean, it worked for them. The first goal, the penalty they were given, and what more can we ask? Well done to Amakos.
All right, so there you go. We have to wrap it. We have to keep it as short as possible, and I'm happy that this happened, so that you can see that when we cut videos short, it's because we're trying to run away from these kind of things. You know. So yeah, well done to Kaizer Chiefs. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching.